Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to be here. I hope that you are too. Karibuni sana to this video. First of all, thank you so much for my new subscribers. Continue liking and sharing the videos. That's a way that you get to support my channel, my content and my videos. So I'm back again with a very interesting video. Today we are going to be doing my baby's hair again with you guys, and my hand is getting pretty tired. Okay, anyway, guys. So as I was saying, today we are going to be doing my baby's hair with you guys. Nitaonyesha the progress that we have made. We're going to be doing the same hairstyle that we did back in my video. I'll attach your video hapa. You can go and watch it, because this time I won't go into details of how I actually braid her hair, because this video I'm going to attach it to the parts of the video that I did in my previous video again. Nilitengeneza hiyo video ikuwe short, because I realized that you guys don't actually appreciate really long videos, so I had to cut it into two so that ikuwe interesting na isikuwe very long, because I realized it was going to be very long. So this is just an intro. We do the baby's hair. I attach the videos that siku attach in the previous video, then we're going to call this a vlog. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Let's see the progress of my baby's hair. Na mniambie in the comment section vile mnafanyanga ndio nywele za watoto wenu imee, because ya mtoto wangu imekataa kumea, like kabisa haimei, na kama inamea very slowly. As you can see, mine too haimeangi sana. I think she got the genes from mommy, and I want to change her story. So tell me guys, tell me in the comment section, mnafanyanga aje ndio nywele za watoto wenu zimee. At least my next generation itakuwa na nywele refu. We're going to see about that. So stay tuned and let's do this. Go to hi guys.
Hi guys.
Mbie mko aje?
Hi.
Uangalie hapa kwa kamera. Mbie hi. Tunafanya nini leo? Tunafanya hi guys. Alafu tufanyie nini nywele? Tushuke. Buka hivi. Angalia huku ndio nionyesha hapa nyuma. Angalia huku kidogo tu. So guys, this is what I am talking about. Nywele hapa haimeangi, like since she started having hair after amelala, like ile watoto walikuwa nalalanga kama the small babies, they sleep on their back. So hapo ndo ma challenges zilianza. She slept so much on her back, so nywele huku haikumea sana, but as you can see, I've been braiding her hair na imeanza kumea. Thank God for that, and we are going to continue doing that so that she can at least have hair kwa kichwa yote mzima. So that is what we are going to be doing today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Mwambie wa subscribe. Subscribe. Oui, subscribe. Okay, sit here. So let's do this. Okay. Utaona hata niteremsha kamera kidogo, okay? So guys, as you can see, hapa mbele ni refu. Lakini huku nyuma na huku kwa sides is where the hair draws the line. But I can really appreciate the change that I'm seeing, because before I started doing her hair, like there was zero hair huku. Hakukuwa na nywele hata kidogo. At least sasa hizi hata zinaweza shukika. Yeah, so guys, this is the oil that I'll be using to oil her hair before I braid it, so that it can have a little bit of moisture in it, and also ikuwe soft kidogo. Haya, acha tuonyeshe watu nywele. Guys, look at that. Work of my hands. Ebu inama. So neatly done. Ni hivyo sasa. Fanya hivi. Are you happy? Tuangalie kamera. Are you happy? You look so nice. You look so nice. Hi, Nama. Ambia watu bye. Tawafanya. So guys, let's make our mukimo. Previously I had boiled some maize, soft maize to be precise, then some bananas and some potatoes, Irish potatoes. So we are going to drain the excess water in that carton, then we are going to proceed. After draining the soup, you're going to go in with the salt to taste according to your preference. Then we are going to start mashing. We are going to mash everything until everything mixes well together, and this is the most tedious process, especially when you're making a lot of mukimo. But yangu haikuwa mob sana, but bado ilinitake a while, around 10 to 15 minutes, just to make sure that everything is well mashed and everything mixes well together. And at this point nilikuwa nimeekelea mboga zangu zinaitwa kahorora, ama unaweza tumia ile mboga ya malenge. You're just going to boil it and then blend it. I'm going to show you that part in a bit. Let's keep on mashing and mashing until everything mixes well together. Finally, I am done. There is our mukimo. We are going to proceed to blend our greens, and let's do that. I'm going to just put this aside and let it sit as we prepare the other ingredients. So before we even do that, we are going to put our onions kwa sufuria. Zile onions za miti, sijui zinaitwa aje, not the spring onions za samosa, the other regular ones. We are also going to add a pinch of salt to make sure that the onions are well seasoned. There we go. Here is our blender. We are going to add our mboga zenye nilikuwa nishachemsha. Nimwambia unaweza tumia mboga ya malenge ama kahorora if you know what I am talking about. You can also use spinach, but I've never tried out spinach, but I've seen other people using it. There we go. Tumesha blend. Then we are going to put this kwa mukimo yetu and mix it well. Unfortunately, nilipoteza footage niki mix the iyo soup na mukimo yetu, but I'm going to show you what I was able to be left with after nimepoteza. So let's just keep on watching and learn. Hiyo tunaweka mboga yetu hapo ndani. We're going to make sure that tumetoa kila kitu kwa jug. Yeah, and then next thing is adding our cooked onions like that. Make sure you put a generous amount of oil according to the amount of mukimo that you have, and then we're going to mix that together like that, and we are done. That is how you make mukimo at home. And let me tell you guys, this mukimo slaps. It is super yummy. Yeah, so let's see our final product. Ta-da! Here we go. I had previously made some beef stew and some cabbage, and that is our final look of our meal. Wacha niwaambie guys, this meal ili slap sana. I really enjoyed it. You should try it. You should try this recipe. Alafu uniambie hapo kwa comment section how yours turned out to be. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hi guys, we have come to the end of this amazing video. Now why are you laughing? And as you can see, the baby is so excited. I think it's because of the beautiful hair that I have done. Yeah guys, nimemshuka vizuri. As you can see huko kwa sides, nimejaribu kushuka mingi ndio at least nywele imeme. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up like this, do like this, and then you subscribe down below. You hit the subscription button down below. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.